Wisdom, one plumber. Blessed greetings, people. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to replace a pillar top washer, or some person may call it a basin pipe washer. Alright, so the first thing we want to do is prepare. We need our various tools. So this is a adjustable wrench, 8-inch adjustable wrench. This is a flat point screwdriver. This is a pliers, and of course we need the washer that we're going to be replacing. So first thing first, there's a screw. Before we go there, if it is on your sink, not like this one, this is mounted in a vise, but if it is on your sink like how it will be, first thing you need to do is turn off the angle valve or the water supply to the pipe itself. After you have done that, then you want to unscrew a screw, right, that is under the handle. Once you unscrew that, you're able to lift off the handle. Sometimes you may need to knock the angle to shift it up so it is removed easier. Take up the handle. Here's the handle. So this is a star handle. After you have done that, you want to proceed to remove the sleeve. Right, some person call it the collar or the sleeve. Right, so I recommend using a pliers, or whether it be the water pump pliers or the channel lock pliers. Right, you put a rag around it to prevent it from scratching. Then you hold it with the pliers and you twist. Right, but I would have already pulled mine already, so I'm just going to show you. So after you remove the collar or the sleeve, then you will gain access to the bonnet, right? The bonnet section or the stem section. So you proceed to use the adjustable to hold onto the hex nuts or the flat edges on the bonnet. Then you want to be turning in the counterclockwise position. All right. When you open, you will gain access to the washer on a jumper. Then you will proceed to use your adjustable to hold the nut, as well as your pliers to hold the jumper, this shaft of the jumper. So you hold the jumper, you use the adjustable, close it, and you want to pretty much to remove the nut. All right. So after removing the nut, you are now able to take off the washer. This size washer is a 3/8 washer, so you will replace it with a 3/8 washer. Please ensure that when you're replacing it, you see the number on it, the number side is up towards the jumper. So the section that is going on the seat is flat, right, with no numbers. Then what you will do is secure back the nut. Then you put a moderate amount of tighten on it. You don't want to crack anything. Just a moderate amount of tighten to hold it in place. Right, as soon as you have done that, it is secure to the jumper. The washer is secure to the jumper. Then you want to put it back into the body of the pillar top. Secure back the bonnet or the spindle and stem arrangement. Then proceed to use the adjustable to tighten the bonnet. Remember, we're going in the clockwise position now. All right. Clockwise position. Put a moderate tighten on it, don't over tighten it. Then you want to put on back the sleeve So the sleeve is secured by tight by screwing. Then you want to place back on the star handle. Then you will secure back the screw in place. So again, my people, please remember to like, to share, and also to subscribe. One Plumber. Stay blessed.